Hello friends, myself Ajay Ignath Chaudhary and I have completed my BE in Mechanical Engineering. Today's date is 3rd February 2022 and this is a real video of today's topic inheritance in Java. So we have to see what is inheritance. Inheritance in Java is a mechanism in which an object acquires all the property and behavior of a parent class, parent object. It is also important part of OOPS, that is object oriented programming system. The idea behind inheritance in Java is that you can create a new classes that are built upon existing classes with you. When you inheritance from existing class, you can also reuse methods and fields of a parent class. Moreover, you can add new methods and fields in your current class also. Inheritance represent the relationship. A relationship which also known as parent child relationship. why why we use inheritance in Java? For method overriding. So for method overriding, that is runtime polymorphism can be achieved. For code reusability, second one, for code terms is used in inheritance. Third one, class is a group of objects which have common properties. It is templates or blueprint from which objects are created. Subclasses or child classes, and the subclasses in class which inherits the other class, it that is also known as derived class, extended class, or child class. Superclass or parent class. Next one is superclass is a form of class form from where a subclass inherits the features. It is also a base class or parent class. Next one is reusability. Has the name specify reusability? It is a mechanism uh, which facilities use to reuse the field and methods of a existing class. When you create a new class, you can use the same fields and methods already defined in the previous class. The extend keywords indicates that you are making a new class that are derived from an existing class. The main meaning of extends is to increase the functionality. In the terminology of Java, a class which inherits is called as a parent or a superclass, and a new class is called as a child or subclass. Single inheritance examples are when a class inherits another class, it is known as single inheritance. In the example given below, dog class inherits the animal class, so there is a single inheritance. Now multi-level inheritance with example, when there is a chain of inheritance is known as a multi-level inheritance. As you can see in the example given, baby dog class inherits the dog classes, which again inherits the animal classes, so there is a multi-level inheritance. Hierarchical. Next one is hierarchical inheritance. Example, when two or more classes inherits a single class is known as a hierarchical inheritance. In the example given below, dog and cat classes inherits the animal class, so there is an hierarchical inheritance. Why multiple inheritance is not supported in Java? So reason is to reduce the complexity and simplify the language. Multiple inheritance is not used in supported in Java. Take some example that consider where A, B and C are the three classes, where the C classes inherits A and B. If A and B classes have the same method and call it from child class, there will be ambiguity to call the methods A or B, since compile time error are being better than runtime error. But Java renders compile time errors if you inherited two class. So whether you have same methods or different, that there are will be compile time error. Inheritance in Java are the most important features that play the role that you can inherit all the behavior. It can acquire all the behavior of a parent class or other objects which can consider in the class. It can inherit one class to another class and another class to third class. It can overrides or overloading the methods also. It has multiple types of method types in inheritance we have discussed today. So this is all about the today's topic, inheritance in Java. We have discussed today. So all about it. Thank you for watching my video.